Hello, how are you all doing? I'm Sara from Learn Urdu with Sara. Today we are going to learn vocabulary words in Urdu related to bedroom and bathroom. I'm also going to give genders of the noun. So without further ado, let's get started. ये लॉक है, दरवाज़ा खोला. खोलना is to open. खोलना. खोलना is to open. Okay. फिर lights खोली. Lights is just lights in Urdu. Lights खोली. Light is feminine, so therefore it's खोली. खोलना is to open. Lights खोली. फिर bedroom में आए. Actually an Airbnb that I'm staying in. ये बिस्तर है. बिस्तर is bed. छोटा बिस्तर है. ये बड़ा बिस्तर है. So बिस्तर is bed. So now let's see what's on bed. So here this is a takya. Takya is pillow. Takya. चार तकिए हैं. 1 2 3 4. चार तकिए हैं. बिस्तर. Another word for bed is palang. But in the southern part most people just say bistar. So this is takya. These are 4 pillows. Takya. This is chadar. Chadar is bed sheet or a sheet that you use to cover yourself as well. Chadar. This here is kambal. Kambal is blanket. Kambal. This is a quilt. You can just call it a quilt. Kambal. Now what we have here are side tables. We usually just say side tables. And lamp hai. Most of the English words are used in Urdu, and because I teach colloquial Urdu, I use a lot of English words. ये लैम्प है और ये पानी की बोतल. पानी की बोतल, which is feminine. Glass is glass, and that is masculine. Glass. Okay, now move forward. This is, by the way, Diwar. Diwar is wall. Diwar. This is a light. Okay. Now AC is feminine, and because it's an English word ending with E, AC, that's feminine. These are curtains, which is, it is masculine. Parde. Why? Because they're plural, that's why parde. A single curtain is parda, and that's masculine. Now here we have farsh. Farsh is floor. Farsh. You can also call it zameen, but zameen means earth. Zameen is earth as well. Floor and earth. It's feminine. Farsh is masculine. Farsh saaf hai. Ye farsh saaf hai. Now this is a dressing table. In Urdu, we just call it a dressing table. Normally in everyday Urdu, we just call it dressing table. ये dressing table है. ये गुलदान है. Guldan is a vase. Tissue paper is tissue paper. Tissue paper is masculine. I'll also write the gender of each word, so don't be confused. I will write them. I'll write the gender of each word. M stands for masculine and F stands for feminine. This you can see is shisha. Shisha is mirror. Shisha, and it's masculine. Shisha. So button is just button. Here there's a button. There. Button is just button. ये button है. Light का button is light switch. And pankhe ka button is fan switch. Now let's move to pankha. In Pakistan, pankha is essential, right? Like it's because it's very humid and hot, we always have a pankha in our house. Pankha is fan. The ceiling is chat. Chat. Chat is also roof as well. So chat is a ceiling or roof. मैं छत पर हूँ. I'm on the ceiling. मैं छत पर हूँ. मैं छत पर हूँ. Okay. Then what do we have here? We have a kachradan. Kachradan or koodadan is a garbage can. Kachra or koodadan. Okay. ये जो seat, we call it seat. Seat is feminine. ये seat है dressing table की seat. Dressing table की seat. Here we have drawer, which is in Urdu it's called daraz. Daraz. Let me actually open more light so it can be more brighter. Okay, I think it's better. Okay, so this is daraz. Daraz is drawer. It's feminine. Daraz. This is a kursi. Kursi is a chair. Kursi. These are plural. 2 chairs. So it is called kursiyan. Kursiyan. Okay, what else? Here we have takiye, do takiye, chadre, or lihaf or kambal. Okay, this is side table. This is almari. A closet is almari. Closet. Almari, and that is feminine. A wardrobe or closet, both is almari. Almari is feminine. This is painting. Painting in Urdu is tasveer. Painting. Here you can see a bulb. Let me kind of try. You can't probably see it. It's very illuminated. In Urdu it's called kumkuma, but we don't really call it that in colloquial language. Bulb. Bulb is masculine. Okay, now move forward to the bathroom. Let me see what this is. मैं खोल रही हूँ. I don't know what it's doing. Oh, it's actually opening a tube light. क्या आपके मुल्क में tube light होती है? Tube light is this. पाकिस्तान में हमेशा tube light होती है. Okay. This darwaza. Darwaza is door. This is lock. Okay. Now I'm going to open the lock to see. Okay, here we have bathroom mat. Opening the light. Okay, very bright. ये cabinet है. Cabinet is just cabinet. ये नल है. नल और नल का पानी आ रहा है. पानी आ रहा है. पानी आ रहा है. Like water is coming. पानी आ रहा है. ये बेसन है. बेसन. साबुन. ये साबुनदानी है. साबुन. साबुनदानी. हाथ धोने का साबुन. Hand wash. Toothpaste is just toothpaste. Toothbrush is also just toothbrush. Cleanser is also just cleanser. You know, a lot of words are English words. So ये इस तरह का है. ये बटन है. लाइट के बटन. ये शीशा है. शीशा. शीशा is mirror. Shisha. Shisha is also glass. ये toilet है. We call it commode as well. Commode is masculine. ये tiles लगे हुए हैं. Tiles लगे हुए हैं. ये bathtub है. We don't usually have bathtubs in Urdu. In Pakistan, ये नहाने की जगह है. नहाने की जगह. This is called a Muslim shower. Muslim shower. Okay. ये बाल्टी है. बाल्टी is a bucket. बाल्टी. ये बैठने के लिए स्टूल है. ये नल है. शावर है नहाने के लिए. ये पर्दा है नहाने के लिए. Okay. Let me know what I've missed, and I will tell you in the comment section. Have a very nice day. Goodbye, and subscribe for more videos.